And we're back out here in the horse racing track, part of the swaps. The main area they call the Boneyard. There are probably 5 football fields full of swap materials out here. There's something. Surely there's something out here for anyone. If it's came out of a radio or an electronic device, it's probably here somewhere. The issue is, can you find it, and can you make a great deal on it? So that's where we are today, and everything's for sale. A lot of stuff out here that people might want back at home. So you got a whole bunch of tubes, look like some bird watt meters and things like that that are around here. So lots and lots and lots of stuff available at the Hamvention. So if you ever want to come out, I think it's worth your trip. You can find just about anything you're looking for here in Dayton. Okay, I ran into my good friend Danny Allen from all the way back in Neshoba, Oklahoma. I'm gonna hand him this microphone, then we're gonna talk to him a little bit. How you doing, Danny?
Oh, pretty good, bud. Glad to be here. First time ever. 32 years as a ham radio operator at Big Dayton Hamfest.
So it's just like being at New Boston or Shreveport or somewhere like that, isn't it?
No, this is the monster. 17 acres. Awesome. I'm so excited. It's just unreal. I haven't even made it across the fence to the big stuff yet.
Danny, you've been in here about 3 or 4 hours this morning. Do you have any money left?
I'm almost out. I'm trying to figure out how to get to the bank already. Well, God, I'm having a blast.
Make sure you save enough gas money to get home.
That's what credit cards are made for.
All right. Hey, thanks for talking to me.
You bet. Yeah. Hope everybody back home, you got to come to this one. It's worth every penny of it. Enjoy.
Hey, congrats on your new channel. I'm Mike, KB2PMD. It's my first Hamvention, and really excited to be here with my son.
I am Caleb, KF8EDS. This is also my first Hamvention here with my dad. Yeah, I don't think there's anything super crazy that we're looking for, although you did get that new radio.
Yeah, I'm just glad to be here. It's really nice to be in, community, and especially post-COVID, be all together.
Yeah, if you're interested in it and it's used, it's probably here at Dayton Hamvention somewhere. There are acres upon acres of swaps here at the Hamfest. People ask me what it's like that's never been out here before, and it's really kind of hard to describe because it's not like one of your small local Hamfests that you typically run into where there's 10, 12, 15 guys there selling things. There's hundreds and hundreds of people here selling objects that will have value for somebody, and a lot of it will go home with others. So we're going to make our way through the swaps today. Might film a little bit here and there, but we'll check in with you later on.
Hello, my name's Tim Butcher, N8WZJ. I've been coming to Hamvention since the 90s, early 90s, late 80s actually. I like coming to the flea market. You never know what you'll find here. There's always some goodies to be had.
Hi there, my name is Scott King. Call sign is W8AOR. We hail from Muskegon, Michigan. We're down here with two of our organizations that I'm involved in with. It's Muskegon County Immersive Communication Systems. That's our Oxcom Aries Races group that we're supporting. as well as the local ham amateur radio club, the Muskegon Area Amateur Radio Council that we're down here supporting. We came down to get rid of some excessive equipment and look for some emergency MCOM equipment that we were lacking. And I think we've done a pretty good job of doing both and being successful at it.
I don't know how long it would take you if you really seriously went and looked at every one of these things to make your way through the entirety of the swaps at Dayton Hamvention. I don't know that 2 or 3 or 4 or maybe 10 days is even really enough. But I do know this: if you ever decide you want to come, if you see something that you want, you need to try to make your best deal on it right then, because the weather affects everything here. The fact sometimes the vendors just get tired and they want to go home. But especially in the first 2 days, you sure need to make sure that you can get anything that you want here at Dayton Hamvention in the swap meet section. Now, the new vendors, they got some great deals going on. I was at the Radiodity booth just a little bit ago, and the show price for a G90 right now is $350. That's over $100 off of what they have listed in their catalog, and they may be giving that price online. So if you're in the market for a G90, it'd be a good time to pick one up. Of course, by the time you see this, that price will probably be over, and so we will have missed it. This is Craig on Between the Whiskeys. We'll be back.